So, DailyOC. Alright, so here's our mission. Go from Anaheim, California, through Bakersfield, through Fresno, up to Yosemite, without getting lost. Ah yeah, gotta love that Southern California gridlock. Got my full tank of gas. Cruising at 10 miles an hour. Oh yeah. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. You can make it up the hill. So this is the, I believe it's the Cajon Pass. And yeah, this is like a pretty gnarly hill for anybody that's ever cruised up through the 5 and up into Bakersfield. This is like a gnarly area, and that's going the other way. There's trucks coming down. I figured I'd explain kind of like how I met Bear and like all that and why I'm going out there and everything. So basically, I started YouTube doing daily vlogs back in March 2010, and I'm not sure when he made his double rainbow video. I think it came out a little bit before I probably started YouTube, but around the same time. And yeah, so I saw the double rainbow video, and then I started up YouTube shortly after that and subscribed to his channel because I noticed that he was doing vlogs like I was. And so I subscribed to him, and I've just been a subscriber of his. And then I ended up meeting him at VidCon, and yeah, he's just a pretty chill dude. And yeah, he has like a lot of people that stay at his property. He does like couch surfing, so he has a lot of foreigners, I don't know, different people staying at his place. And yeah, there's gonna be like a girl from Australia staying there, I think, and maybe some other people. And yeah, I think tomorrow we're gonna go and hike up into Yosemite and find a cool spot to watch the full moon. So it should be a good weekend. It's a lot better than going to work, right? Yeah. Yosemite! I might have been asking a little bit too much of Betsy. She's not idling well right now. She's not doing well. It's basically idling at like 0. So I freaking pulled off the freeway, and I need to get gas too. So I'm actually pretty close. Yeah, I'm only like an hour away, so let the car cool down a little bit, and hopefully I make it there. So I got me gas, I got me drink, and Betsy's cooling off here. And yeah, I'm gonna have myself a snack, find something out of there to eat. And yeah, there was actually an accident right here on the freeway, on the 41. There's just an accident right up here, so kind of worked out. I got the car restarted, and it's idling normal, so yeah, it's starting to cool down and get pretty nice. Yeah, buddy. I've seen that in a few videos before. Yeah, we made it. Just gotta go up his driveway, and we're there.
Really private, right?
Yeah, Bear's showing me my tent. You gave me the big one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Set up.
There you go.
Right on.
Come on, Grace, let's sit and sit up.
I'll see you guys in a minute. Pretty sweet. Even got a mattress. And it looks like electricity. I'm barely even roughing it. Barely even roughing it. And then over there was where the double rainbow was spotted. I'll show you in a little bit. So that's my tent spot up there. And then around here, there's another camping spot. It's pretty sweet. He has all these little plateau areas where you set up tents and stuff. Oh yeah. Got the bed set up, and I got my stick in case I need to attack a bear. Pretty sure this is the rooster that was doing his... roosting at 4 in the morning. Doesn't even know when the sun comes up. What's up with that, rooster?
They eat everything, including coffee grounds, and
They take a little bit, they run away.
yeah.
They chase them.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys don't have to wait for us.
So we're
Ahead.
heading up
Just make sure when you get to the
Sentinel
top,
Dome.
you get a view. You get a view of us
Coming up.
coming up, and
Yeah.
now you can just position the camera in the right spot.
Hiking up Sentinel Dome to see the full moon rise. It's beautiful. 0.2 miles to our destination. That is our destination. Way up there.
Music from the soul, y'all.
Waking up, then I start breaking barriers and rules. I take them and I blaze them, ending the mayhem and the revolution.
Lights, cameras, action. Waking
Up, then I start breaking barriers and rules. I take them and I blaze them, ending the mayhem and the revolution.
Lights, cameras, action.
This is just the beginning. Minds are starting to awaken, even though we've been given play so we stay the same and keep on playing the games with the total control of our fate. Free your mind and escape. Open up your mind. 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 Risk for reward, we all can relate. Going around and making sure that this is the place that we can escape, and always making sure that it's the same reality going around, shaking and shifting. One day drifting, shooting into the stars and never missing. We're glistening, waking up the world, enlightening. Ascension is where we're going. Align your chakras and see that this is the spiritual way of growing. Wake up, I said wake up, wake up, wake up. 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 Wake up into winter days, watch the stars turn into shade. Look at the sun moving across everything.
What's up, buddy? So it's about 6 in the morning right now on a Sunday, and packed up and ready to go. Everybody's still sleeping, so I already told them last night that I was gonna leave early. But yeah, quite an adventure. Quite an adventure. Anyways, hope you're all doing good. See you guys later. Peace. What's up? What's up?
DailyOC.
Swag on right now.
DailyOC.
Cause he vlogging every day.
DailyOC.